Well, good evening. After a wonderful seafood gourmet dinner by the coast, we've come to the Shakada community here in Hua Hin. It's a fusion of artists, entertainers, small business entrepreneurs, and of course a selection of eateries and drinks dispensers. It's a wonderful idea, and we may come back. I'm very excited by what I've seen so far on the internet. Opinions vary, for example on TripAdvisor, but anyway, if you come down here, my opinion is come and see it. Okay, bye bye for now.